This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable cutlery, specifically this Argento cutlery. You can buy them as sets or individual pieces. And to show you the set, we have the black plastic cutlery with the white napkin and polka dot ribbon. They're approximately 7 1/4 inches long by 2 wide and 1 3/4 inches deep. You will get the fork, knife, and spoon all wrapped up in that beautiful, luxurious white napkin and tied with a cute little ribbon for a fantastic presentation that's ready to put out alongside meals or at the end of a buffet table. The disposable cutlery pieces can also be bought individually, and we have the silver plastic Argento dessert spoon. It's 5 1/2 inches in length, and you can see it has that nice silver shine to it for just a little bit of sparkle to put outside along meals and desserts. The sets come in several different options. You can pick your choice of black or white utensils. They all come with that great luxe white napkin. And then there's a choice of either silver or black polka dot on the ribbon. The individual pieces are available in the fork, knife, spoon, and a dessert spoon size. And you have your choice of either black or silver in those individual pieces. The utensils are all made of recyclable plastic for a perfect eco-minded disposable. It's great for post-event cleanup since they can just be tossed into the recycle bin. These durable and strong premium plastic utensils are paired with a luxe white napkin and tied with that choice of ribbon for an amazing set that's going to be great for putting out on buffets or even to use in to-go orders if you're looking for something with a little bit more of a high-end finish. They're going to be fantastic to use at corporate events, catered functions, and weddings. And it's a fantastic option that you can buy additional utensils and pieces to kind of supplement where needed if you need the extras for, say, the presentation of apps or desserts later in the evening. They're a great high-end option to put in to-go orders, and they're perfect for restaurants to put out on tables or in those to-go orders or even use at catered functions.